This video will review how to complete a learned circuit once your setup is completed. This will calibrate the device to the specific circuit type and mask type to ensure the device functions properly. The ventilator will require a learned circuit to be completed as part of troubleshooting for any circuit type changes, for example, when switching from a heated circuit setup to a non-heated circuit setup. Ensure proper circuit setup is completed and device is turned on. Select the Setup button on the right-hand side of the screen. Under the Setup menu, select Circuit submenu to access Learn Circuit. The current program circuit type, last learned circuit, and interface will be shown. To begin a new learned circuit, select Start on the right side. Follow the on-screen prompts to attach and test the circuit. If oxygen is connected, make sure it is turned off throughout the testing. After the learned circuit is complete, you should get a message with all green check marks as shown. If the learned circuit fails, check all connections and repeat the test.